Hello, good morning. Tuloy pa natin ating pag-aaral sa safety. Workplace hazard po na tayo. Ano pong pagkakaiba ng hazard, health hazards sa safety hazards? So, ang health hazards is a working condition which results an illness. So, results in an illness. Ang safety hazard, working conditions where harm to the workers is an immediate and violent in nature. So agad-agaran po yung result ng harm sa workers, tapos violent pa in nature. Safety po yun. Yung safety hazards po yun. Yung health hazards is conditions that result in illness. So kapag magkakasakit ka dahil sa isang kondisyon, sa working conditions mo, health hazards ang tawag doon. Ang safety hazards naman, conditions yan na kung saan maaring masaktan kaagad-agad yung workers at violente yung kanyang nature. Okay, pangalawa, yung health hazards, exposure sa dangerous substances. Kagaya ng may chemicals, may gases, may dust, at saka noise. Maingay na kondisyon, may mga gas na sisingaw na maaring malanghap ng tao at magkakasakit siya, illness. May chemicals na pag nakontak ng kanyang katawan ay magkakasakit siya, pumasok sa mata, sa baga, magkakasakit. Health hazards yun. Yung safety hazards naman result in broken bones, baling buto, cuts, yung sugat, bruises na karoon ng pasa, losses of limbs, yung pagkawala ng daliri sa paa, kamay. Okay, safety hazards po yun. Yung health hazards, exposure siya, madalas na exposure sa eventually magkakasakit. Exposure sa mga bagay nga such as chemical, gases, dust, and noise na kalaunan magkakasakit. Okay, safety hazard, harm results in some kind of injury to workers. At hindi lang yon, associated with poorly guarded or dangerous equipment and machinery. So yung mga equipment po na walang guard, delikado, ay yan po ay safety hazards. Okay? So yan po yung pagkakaiba ng health hazards sa safety hazards. Yun lang po. Bye.